This is the place to. This is the place to. This is the place where victory belongs to Jesus. Victory belongs to me. Victory belongs. Victory belongs to Jesus. To Jesus. On your mark, get set. Ready for the